Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn to apply scatter chart on your data. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have two columns, one with name and another one with total sale. If I want to apply scatter chart on my data, I will select the data and then go to Insert tab, and there are charts option here. The last one, if I click node on the side, and it's showing me the different types of scatter chart. I'm okay with the first one. If I click this one, it will apply scatter chart on my data. I can quickly resize my data from the corners, like I'll just drag from here and it will resize for me. I can move the chart within my worksheet anywhere, and if I click the plus button on the side, it will show me the different option. First one is axis. So if I uncheck this one, the axis will be removed from the left and from the bottom. Tick back to bring back again axis title. If I want to have title, untick this one, chart title. Next one, if I don't want to have chart title, I uncheck this one. I want to have chart title, so I will check back again. Data tables, if I want to have data labels, sorry, so it will show me the data figures over those dots. So next one is error bars. It's showing, it shows the error bar in your data. Next one is grid lines. If I want to remove grid lines, I'll uncheck this option. Next one is legend. If I want to have legend, it will show the legend on the side, like this one, total sale. Untick this one. The last one is trend line. If I take this one, it will show the trend line in the data. Is it upward or downward? Uncheck this one. So these were the all options to modify your chart. If I want to change the chart design, so you can see on the top under design tab, there are different types of chart design. For example, if I select this one, it will apply this chart design on my data. So this is how you can apply the chart. You can modify the chart in a matter of seconds. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.